complex fraction means one or more fraction in the numerator or denominator. So we've learned about fraction, for example, 1 over 2. This is a fraction. The complex fraction will be like 7 over 9. There's a fraction in the numerator, and 2 over 3. This is the fraction in the denominator. So to simplify it, we can rewrite it as 7 over 9 divided by 2 over 3. And it also equal to 7 over 9 times the reciprocal of the second fraction will be 3 over 2. And we can simplify it. So 3 and this 9 cancel, we'll be left with 3 times 1/2. And then the final answer will be 7 over 6. So it's much more similar to this. So this time we can simplify this whole chunk by rewriting it as x squared plus 4x minus 21 over x squared minus 2x plus 18 divided by this thing. There's a lot of elements. Then, to simplify it, we can factor those algebraic expressions. So let's start with the first one. We first want to put the two parentheses, and we want to break this first term. Two factor multiply each other will be x squared, so they are x and x. Then we want to break this is 21, so 21, the two factors will be 3 and 7. They multiply each other will be 21, but is also the negative for the constant term, so it should be negative 21, which means one of the factor will be negative. It could be negative 3, 7, or 3, negative 7. But how do we know which two terms or which two numbers we use? We can figure out that by testing for this second term. Since the second term is positive, the sum of the two factor must be the same as this coefficient of the second term. So in this case, it's positive 4. Now, using your logic, when two numbers added together and one of the number is negative, to get a positive result, the larger number must be positive, right? So in this case, the larger number is 7 and the smaller number is 3. So 7 must be positive, so we're going to use these two numbers and add it together will be positive 4. So yes, we can use this two number. It's going to be negative 3 goes here and positive 7 goes here. Okay, for the second one, similar, we put the two parentheses. And to break this x squared, we put 2 variable x. And similar, we want to break this 18. So two factor multiply each other will give us 18, and they are 3 and 6. Then the sum of these two numbers must be negative 9. But there's the problem. Two positive number added together will give us positive number. So if we want to get a negative number, so the two numbers must be negative. So negative 3 and negative 6 added together will be -9. And these two negative number, multiply each other will still give us a positive 18. So we will use this two number. Then divide, also simplify it. We put the two parentheses and variable x. Then we want to break 28. The two factor will be 4 and 7. And also since the constant term is negative, so it's going to be negative. And one of the factor must be negative. So it would be -4, 7 or +4, -7. To figure out which two factor we use, we will test it for this +3. And also using logic, when two number added together and one of the number is negative, to get a positive result, the larger number must be positive. So in this case, we'll use these two numbers and just check it. So we add them together, we will get +3. So -4 and +7. Then almost done. Two parentheses and break this x. And we want to break this 24. Two factors would be 4 and 6. And the sum of these two factor must be -10. So since the result is negative, the factor will be negative. So added together will be -10. And the product of these two numbers will still give us +24. So don't worry about that. It's going to be -4. And this is -6. Then, as you can see, we have algebraic expression, some similar here and here. So we can cancel them. That's why we call simplify. And we'll end up with x plus 7 over x minus 6 divided by x plus 7 over x minus 6. Then we can also rewrite it like x plus 7 over x minus 6 times the reciprocal of this is second fraction. So it's going to be x minus 6 over x plus 7. And you can also see the numerator, denominator, they're the same. Also true for this two. So we can cancel them. And they are equal to 1. And also for this two, they're equal to 1. So 1 times 1 will be just 1. And this is our final answer.